should be able to know how to do this. There's a key slot down here. Twist it. So this one's a little tricky. Oh, almost dropped you. There we go. I don't know why that was too difficult. Hello. All right, so we are now removing this tail section. Allen wrench, 5mm, I think. Two screws, same size, 5mm. This side, another 5mm. So that's 4 screws for the tail so far. I believe yeah, so this, let's do it from this side. So from what I remember, you just lift this up over the plastic. Remove my registration. So this is the wiring for the tail light. Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside. Hopefully it doesn't drop. Okay, we have this bracket back here. This is like a custom undertail I did with a underseat. Not the rear seat, I mean. Let's go ahead and remove this. So there should be another one on the other side. So this is a little bracket for the license plate bracket. Oh, this is shearing off. Uh-oh. Okay. So these aluminum screws, definitely, I wouldn't recommend these aluminum screws. Please don't shear off. If it shears off, we're gonna have to drill. spacers. They're just so generic that they keep breaking. So let's go ahead and install the exhaust pipe. I just want to make sure everything lines up okay, but fix that. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put look at this, it's closer to one end than the other. Rotate it backwards because this sets. And this is a used pipe that came off of this motorcycle years ago. There, I'm just holding it with my hand. Forget the vice ropes. Okay, that's on. Alright, so it's just hand tightened. Make sure everything's lined up with the back tire. It looks pretty centered. Alright, we'll go ahead and tighten that bolt. And we have to tighten the exhaust clamp as well, this one right here. And we should be good to go with the exhaust system.